Hey everyone, and welcome to our morning warm-up. This is our morning math number 111. Now remember, today is Friday, but it is a full Friday, so we have a regular schedule today. So you'll notice that on our Google Classroom. Group A is in school this week, so Group B, you are home, and you guys will be in next Friday. So let's get started on our morning math. We have, what is your first and last name? Make sure you put that on there. Have a pencil and a piece of paper to write some math down. Starting off with mixed facts, we have multiplication and division. Moving on, we have subtraction, rounding to the nearest 10, fractions, place value, and our challenge problem. Let's get started with 10 times 6. 10 times 6, then 9 times 3. Then 7 times 6. Then 7 times 8. Moving down, we have 64 divided by 8. 63 divided by 7. 54 divided by 6. 36 divided by 6. And that brings us on down. If you need the notes, please pause the video. Estimate the difference between the nearest, to the nearest hundred, So to the nearest hundred, we have the 3 asking the 1, are you less than 5? The 1 says yes, so the 3 stays the same. So we have 1,300 minus the 9 asking the 4, are you less than 5? The 4 says yes, so the 9 stays the same. So we have 900. 1,300 minus 900. So we have 0, 0. You cannot take 9 from 3, so you make that a 0. The 3 becomes 13. 13 minus 9, and when you get your final answer, put it here. Round 305 to the nearest 10. So the 0 asks the 5, are you less than 5? The 5 says no, so the 0 turns to a 1. 310, or 310. The 3 asks the 4, are you less than 5? The 4 says no, so the 3 stays the same. So 130. Next, we have the 1 ask the 7, are you less than 5? The 7 says no, so it has to go. The 1 goes to 2. 2,420. If you need the notes, pause the video. Let's move on down. Write 4 as a fraction. What? Let's just go back up because we have not taught that yet, and there is a way to do it, but I want to make sure that that's exactly what they're looking for. So let's just take a look. Okay, so we have whole numbers, and the whole numbers we need to represent as a fraction. So we know that we're going to have a 1 in the denominator place, and that means that our whole number goes to the numerator. So 4 over 1, 7 over 1, 5 over 1, 3 over 1. So 3 over 1 is more than 1 over 1. 1 over 1 would equal 1 whole. So 2 over 1 equals 2 wholes. 3 over 1 equals 3 wholes, and so forth. So that is what they are expecting. We haven't taught this yet, so you might be like, what are they talking about? We haven't gotten this far yet in our math book. We will, but that's what they mean. So for write 4 as a fraction, it's going to be 4 over 1. For 5 as a fraction, it's going to be 5 over 1. For 7 as a fraction, it's going to be 7 over 1. And for 3 as a fraction, it will be 3 over 1. If you need the notes, pause the video. Let's move on down. Write the following numbers in order from least to greatest. So we start with the ones, 4, 0, or start with the thousands, 4, 4, 4. So they're all the same. Go to the hundreds, 4, 0, 0. So the 4 is the largest. So we start with that being the largest. So this is the G, the greatest. Then we go over to the 4, 4, they're the same, and 0, 4. So this one is the least, and this one is the middle. So we start with our least, 4,040. Then we go to our middle, 4,044. Then we go to our greatest, 4,404. Noah has $225. He wants to buy a scooter that costs $463. How much more money does he need? So we need the difference. How much more means subtract. Take your bigger number and subtract your smaller number. Your final answer should be in dollars. So we're going to subtract. You have to borrow from the 6. 6 becomes a 5. 3 becomes 13. And now you can subtract straight down. Bring your final answer over here to show you're completed. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask. And thanks so much. See you later.